Have you got loads of debt and bad credit coming out of your ears? No problem. Call me at 1-800. I'm just kidding, guys. This is a real estate show, man. I'm going to help you get that credit up so you can go purchase the home of your dreams.
You better get fired up.
All right, guys, so we've all had bad things happen in our life, right? Maybe they're self-imposed, maybe they just happen. But they can often lead to bad credit. So today, I want to give you 3 things that you can do to improve that credit and get into the home of your dreams in the near future, right? So let's talk about that first thing you can do. A lot of people have the misconception that, hey, credit card bad, credit good, I'm going to cut up that credit card and I'm going to get rid of all those opportunities to buy bad things and now I'm going to instantly improve my credit, right? That's a myth. That's wrong. Actually, the way that the formula works is a big part of that formula is the age of the average account that you have. So if you've got 3 credit cards, right? 1 you've had for a year, 1 you've had for 5 years, and 1 you've had for 9 years. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is 15 divided by the 3 cards. That's an average age of 5 years. If you cut up the 9-year card, now you've got a 1 and a 5 divided by 2 is 3. You've got an average age of 3 years. So your credit is actually going to go down for having cut up that card. So do not cut up the cards. All right, so thing number 2 is probably the simplest, most common sense thing that you're going to think of, right? It's paying down your credit card debt. There are multiple kinds of debt, but if you can pay down that credit card debt, not only is it going to help your credit score, but oftentimes that credit card debt is at really high rates, especially when you compare it to a lot of the student loan debt. So make sure you get that credit card debt down first. All right, before we go any further, I want to ask you guys to go up here and check out my Instagram handle and then get over to that Facebook business page to load up that mind on real estate knowledge. All right, and last but certainly not least, you got to hire a pro, man. If you get a pro on your side, it can cost you somewhere in the $1,000 to $1,500 range on average. You can get cheaper, you can get more expensive, and they're gonna do a load of work for you to get that credit back up there, right? So what are some of the things they do? They're gonna give you a lot of education, like I'm giving you here, but much more in depth. They're gonna write letters to the credit card companies to make them prove that you did all the horrible things you did to get your credit where it's at, and if they can't substantiate it, boom, that issue's taken off your credit report. They do a lot. I'm telling you, from my experience, it's worth it. Look for reviews, but if you find a credit person who's got great reviews, I'm telling you, it's worth every penny. All right, guys, those are the 3 big ways to take care of your credit now so you can get into that home tomorrow. If you like this video, get down there and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and you guys stay fired up.